people. Today is Saturday. It's March, what is it, 28, 29, 30?
30.
30. Yeah, we're going for a walk to the stairs, another kind of stairs again.
Where are we?
Whitemud.
Equestrian Park.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go.
You got it.
We're going to that stairs because what is Saskatchewan river, but this is the Quesnel bridge. Look how tall this is.
You want to tell the people it's very, very windy and very cold?
Very windy. Very, very windy today. Very, very cold. Even if there is sun. This is 5 feet. It's my first time to get closer. We're going to see how busy. This one goes to when? West Edmonton more to the city. Look. Yeah.
So we just crossed the bridge. We have two options: to go up the stairs or up the slope.
Stairs.
And my mom's opting for this the stairs. So here we go.
So this is the slopes, right? Go. Come along, nice people. Okay, let's start the journey. Taking the stairs. Stairway to heaven. Look at the view. Quesnel Bridge.
What are your thoughts about these stairs compared to the one we went to?
It looks like,
It looks older.
yeah, very old compared to the other one.
There's graffiti and
And
whatnot.
yeah, needs to be.
And it's shorter. We're almost
Yeah.
done.
Yeah. Look at the view. Ay, ay, ay. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. See the bridge. Nice. Super nice. Nice people. Let's go again. This is not that. Almost there. Yeah. I made it. Where is that going?
I think up to the neighborhoods.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, there is one more, baby.
Oh.
Let's go. Let's go.
This one looks better.
It's over. This is kind of stiff. Stiffer than the other.
Steeper.
Stiffer. Slow down. Whew.
Mag-reach ka dara sa flat, i-wave ko ha.
nice to walk and look at the view. Nice people going there. Wow. Okay. Look at the stairs. One more. Houses. These are houses now. Nice people. Wow.
I wonder how much these houses cost.
Must be expensive.
Yeah.
Because of the view.
Yeah, yep.
They're paying the view here, not the location. Look at that. They don't build houses closer to the edge, right?
I don't think that's a good idea if they do.
That one is. Wow. Must be double, not just double, but triple, quadruple the price. Hey? Beautiful. We'll see what's on that end.
Huh? Probably more road.
No, the end of the car. Just take a look at the kind of house they have. But this is sold na ko.
It's not a nice looking house. It looks ugly.
No, that's an old
It's like
kind
yeah,
of-
it's like a bunker.
No.
Bunkhouse.
A bungalow style.
Yeah, bungalow. Yeah, bungalow.
Yes. Nako. Sir Wilfred Laurel Park.
Oh.
Quesnel Bridge.
Oh, hala.
Fort Edmonton Park.
I guess if we keep going that way, it'll be where you did the Heritage Festival. Remember? We had to go up that hill. Dad, you, and Marie. Yeah. And then I think I parked my car way over there over there.
Motor siya.
Yeah.
Oh. These are bungalow houses. Sold, oh. Wala. I like this one. Bungalow.
I guess we're house sightseeing now. Instead
Yeah.
of doing the stairs, ma'am.
It's okay. For a change. We did the stairs already, but not that. Not that long, but it looks okay. Now let's have a walk on the road now. I mean, neighborhood. It's like house viewing here. You did? You did? Oh.
You record me?
No way.
I like that house. This one here?
This one, the 112.
It's kind of flat.
Oh, it's second.
Allah.
Oh, the next one is nice.
Here, take a look at this house, guys.
The next one is nice.
Look at this one. Wow.
The next one is nice.
It looks like it's from a cartoon drawing.
Yeah.
Or
Red.
like a kid drew it on a piece of paper and then gave it to the engineer.
Blue, gray. What color is that?
This looks more like Los Angeles kind of house,
Oh.
right?
It's kind of a new style. Oh, look at that. There's a bench. Oh, the next one is kind European style. Isn't it?
Oh, I don't like the garage down there.
Oh, yeah.
If it
Snow
snows and yeah,
Goes there.
not a good idea.
It's a double garage.
I think. What is that house? Ew.
Like it's Spanish style. Bricks.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Too many stairs for Dad.
You're right. I like the bungalow one, the first one.
No, I don't like that one.
It's kind of old style, but it's perfect. I like the place too. This must be really expensive here.
How
That
about,
one.
how about
next
this one?
The next one.
I don't like the front.
It's contemporary.
I like the little balcony,
What
but
are those stainless
it's-
stuff on the top? It's for the birds?
Yeah.
Not to get...
yeah, not to nest. It's like too flat, and there's no yard.
Looks like brand new. No one lives yet.
I think they're renovating or something. Yeah, it looks brand new.
park now. Came into the bench.
Are we gonna make our way back?
Yeah, just sitting on the bench there and then we're gonna video. Yeah. This is nice here. They're on the top. Do you think that if there is, no, I don't think so. Water will rise up to here. I don't think so, right? You think so?
I doubt it. Maybe in 300 years or whenever.
Wow. From the family of Keith and Irene. 50 years of marriage.
That's sweet.
Then
Also
go
graffitied.
your way in peace. Look at
You can't see it, but the stairs are it's somewhere over there.
yeah, the one where we went before, it's across, right? That's
I
the
think it's
one.
over there.
Over there.
And I'm pretty sure it's higher elevation than where we are, but
So there is a trail that goes down. Maybe summertime they went there. They goes there, hey? They go there at summertime. Because there's a trail, you know.
yeah.
Bushes. This must be filled with green trees over there. Right? Nice people, let's go back. Let's go back now. Where we
So-
park.
Down the stairs,
Down the stairs. and
across the bridge or along the bridge.
Pass by the Talos Dome and go to the other stair.
How many times? 3.
One time. Okay, let's go. Now we're going back where we park our car. Across that bridge. That's with my son. A date again with my son. Huh?
Abby and Matthew will see this, right? Here,
Huh?
hold on. Stay there. Abby and Matthew will see this. Abby, Matty, hi. Do you like my bottle? You like my bottle? They'll remember this.
Wait, what's that?
I held their bag one time.
Uh-huh.
They're like, that's not your bag, it's mine.
Okay.
Should we bring that here or no?
Huh?
Maybe no. And the other one for sure.
Well, I like this one too.
It's too close to the highway. Too much
Yeah.
noise. I think that would find the other one more peaceful, you know?
Look at that. It's the view.
And we'll have to cross all this, or we can park there.
Whew. Da-da-da. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise. How about the slopes? Are we gonna try on that one or no?
I don't know. You want to go down the slope?
Let's try.
Sure.
Will that go down?
Yeah, we'll go down.
Okay.
It'll take us longer though. But then in it.
Isa. That's the bridge. Dirita mo, Agi? Or down there? Oh, down there? Down there or over here?
Go down there.
Huh?
End up the same place.
So if we use this way, we end up on that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Sure.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Yeah, this time, guys, nice people, we're using the slope, not the stairs anymore to go down to the bottom of the trail. Let's go.
Uh-oh. It's gonna be steep a little bit. Oh, this is a nice view, right? Here, let's post up.
What's up here? Uy.
Don't fall, huh?
Uy. Oh, there's a stairs up off. One stairs. Oh,
Yeah.
stairs that goes down.
You want to go down there?
I'm not sure what's in there.
I think we can like touch the
Water? Boy.
the river bed or side of the river or something. No? Ayaw. We're going? Oh, this is a bit steep
This is not good if
for that.
snow time. Right?
And over there is back. It's a bike. It's a bike. Go here.
Hey, what?
Yeah. Oh, never mind.
I have my
Be careful, please. We're on our way down the stairs towards the river, or side of the river, or whatever. Apparently, they don't maintain this during the winter time, so you know.
wow.
Oh, you can tell it's busted.
You wanna go ahead now?
Yeah, so they don't fall. I'll check in on you later.
We are now here approaching the bottom of the bridge. The bottom of the Fraser Bridge. What? I lost my keys on Thursday. Did you find them? Look. Oh,
I think we can go down deeper, but I don't think it's a good idea.
that's the way.
Yeah.
Let's take a piece from here. Oh, guys, nice people, look. This side, because the sun is towards here, so the snow, the ice are melting now. See? But in the middle, it's still snow. Ice.
We saw some ducks or geese earlier on
Yeah.
our way across or along the bridge. So that's neat.
Look at that. Hey?
And Mom, you want to tell them what's gonna come this week? We asked Alexa.
Oh, we're gonna be having positive. Is it positive?
Positive, yeah, but it'll be snowing sometime this week.
Weather? Only one. I think one more snow and that's it.
Hopefully.
If it is really heavy, say negative 30 guys, above,
Below.
below the temperature, you can cross from
Possibly.
here by
But it's still risky, right?
right, yeah, from here to across the lake.
Oh, and earlier we saw what was it? Animal tracks?
Animal tracks.
Yeah, we saw like
in
paw
the middle of
prints
that.
all along there. It's just lined.
Who knows? Those are squirrels, no?
I think they're like coyote tracks.
Oh my.
They look too big to be squirrel.
Yeah. From the air, you can see the Talos Dome. See?
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
So let's go back. We're
Alright.
gonna go to the.
Okay, we'll check in on you once we're along the bridge. We got a long way to go.
A long way to go.
Okay. See you then.
You found my keys?
How many steps was that?
67 steps all the way to the bottom of the trail. To that Fraser Bridge. You see that? Oh, you can tell the column and those. It's already iced.
Yeah. Wow.
See, you can tell how big.
Smokes.
How huge. Turn it in such a head.
All right. We'll check in on you after we cross the bridge, hey?
Yes, nice people. See you there. So nice people. We came back all the way from there across the bridge, and now we are here at this Talus
Dome.
Dome. This one. And now we're going down to our car.
Which is over there somewhere.
The stairs.
And then my mom wants to do the stairs at least once, right? One up and down.
Yeah.
Are we gonna sprint it up? No? I like your reaction, mom. Okay.
I'm tired.
Alright.
Let's go. Quesnel. Quesnel Beach.
This is huge.
This is how I will.
How many tons of concrete do you think?
If you slide that way and it is heavy snow, you can use your roller. Isn't it?
I'm tempted to go down, but I know better, so I won't.
Woo!
It's really cold. We ought to go.
Look at that. The bridge. The under one, the columns,
Yeah.
how huge.
Okay, let's go. It's cold.
So this is the Whitemud Park Lounge we're in during summertime. You can launch your boat. This,
Bring it down the slope here, and then
yeah.
off you go. River.
Oh, so this is the slope where
Yeah,
they use
yeah.
your boat to go. And even on the other side, under the bridge. Eh?
I don't think so, but this one.
So this is like, we are here. And it goes all the way Saskatchewan River. William Howrelac Park. All the way to Rafters Landing. To Riverfront Park. Dawson Park, Capilano Park. Fort Saskatchewan Redcoat Landing. So this is really a long river from Devon. Yeah,
Okay. Well, we're almost back to the car.
let's go to the car. Nice people, here we are again. Whitemud Park stairs. Let's go. 2, 3, 9 steps. You see, before we came here, this area we are filled up with
Snow.
snow. And this one too, this side. And the stairs
No, go on the other side. This side.
How come we have this one?
So,
The last time we don't have this.
remember it snowed like 2-3 days ago?
Oh.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be
I
more
thought-
careful.
I thought to shovel it, but I guess they don't.
Yeah, the stairs are filled with snow still. Here we go. Rest and look at the view. Slowly.
In a few weeks, it'll be very different. No snow, green, very hot.
It might be filled with flowers because look at
Trees, leaves.
the trees now. It buds, right? See, flowers are soon to come out. You see that one?
I can't see.
The twigs are filled with.
Well, check in with you at the top.
You see, baby? Oh,
or
Focus, see? This will open up next
in a few weeks.
week.
Yeah.
2 weeks from now. It's gonna be filled with flowers. Green leaves.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Okay. Nice people almost there. Woo. Woo. 239 steps. I made it.
Oh. Good job.
Good job. Good job for me. Look at the view. It's less snow now. You can tell. But it's windy. So that's what makes it cold. But at least the sunshine helps. As you keep moving,
Are we gonna go down, up
Makes
and
you
down only
warm up.
once?
That's enough because we just came from there. You know that? Across the bridge. We went there, right?
Yeah, we went
Talos
along that
Dome,
bridge. The
From
dome.
the Talos Dome, across the bridge. We went up to the stairs. We went to the slopes. We went to the bottom of the trail close to the river. And now we're here. Hoo-hoo. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord. I'm not sure what's over there. House?
Neighborhoods, yeah.
You can tong-tong na. Oh,
I'm okay.
take a view.
I did.
Tong-tong ba niya? 360. Yan lang. 360. Oh. Slowly ano palipat. Viewers. Ulikod ha, ulikod. There we go. There's still a few snow, so we have to be careful. There we go. I made it once, up and down. And let's go home now. Thank you, Lord Jesus. We made it.
What else should you say to your viewers? If you like this video, please
Please,
Click.
nice people,
click this video, click like,
thumbs up.
give a thumbs
Like.
up, comment on something that you'd like or
Yeah.
you'd like for us to do. Maybe 4 next time we come here, 4 laps.
4.
If we get more than 5 likes, we'll do more than 4.
Join me. Okay? Join me in climbing again.
Okay.
Maybe next time I will bring Mr. Nice. So it would be complete Nice and Juni. But this time it's not yet good because there are still some snow. Okay. Thanks for
Okay.
watching.
Bye-bye.
God bless you. Bye bye.